Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an easy stir-fry pineapple with beef recipe. I got some beef cut up already into into slices like this. I also going to put red onion. So one red onion. And let's before we do anything, going to marinate the beef first. Half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Chicken bouillon right here, just half a teaspoon of that for flavor. About half a teaspoon of baking soda. To tenderize the beef. Oyster sauce, it's about half teaspoon of that. Mix it well together. Alright, just let this sit in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's cut up the pineapple. Alright, I'm gonna cut into cube like this, small cube. Alright, that's enough. That's all I want, not the whole pineapple. Okay, now I'm gonna cut up the red onion. I'm gonna cut the slice like this. Let's make the sauce. So about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, oyster sauce, a little bit of water, let's mix all this up. Chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of that for flavor. Mix it well. Cooking oil, it's about a teaspoon of that. Cook the beef first. Now put the onion in. Just cook it for about a minute or so. Put in the pineapple. Cook it for another minute or so. Now put in the sauce now. Cook it for a couple more minutes. I'm gonna put in some more soy sauce for about a teaspoon or so. Have some ground up pepper right here, about half a teaspoon. Just give a little spiciness. Yeah, I think that's done. Doesn't take that long. Let's plate this up. This is a finished product right here. Stir fry pineapple with beef. And let's give it a taste. Got a little beef, a little pineapple right here. Mmm. Mmm. It's good. The pineapple gives that sweetness, and the onion right there give a little flavor. Mmm. Sweet and very tasty. So I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Mmm. 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 It's good.